Hello guys, I'm Mickey. Welcome to my channel. I want to thank my subscribers for subscribing and also my viewers. If you've been viewing my video and you've not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified each time there's an upload. Well, today I want to clear most of my clients and some of my YouTubers about mango butter, avocado butter and shea butter being too heavy to be used on the skin. Well, no. Most times, organic products are mostly used to maintain the skin tone and also to help polish the skin. Mango butter, when added with avocado butter and shea butter with other ingredients, can be used to lighten the skin one shade lighter. I think I gave a video like this where I talked about whitening organic body butter. If you've not seen the video, you can go check out the video right now. And where I talked about mango butter, shea butter with other recipes that helps lighten the skin one shade lighter. It can be used for all skin type. It doesn't have a particular skin type that it doesn't work for. It works for all skin type and it's really nourishing on the skin. Just a combination of mango butter, shea butter, avocado butter, carrot oil mixed with lavender oil can help maintain a melanin skin without giving it any irritation or any breakouts whatsoever on the skin. We all know there are most people who love their melanin skin so much and they do not want anything to tamper with their skin. But it's always good when you go with organic body butter. Nourishing organic body butter. These are really nourishing on the skin. And carrot oil serving as your sunscreen lotion. For people toning their skin with industrial products, usage of organic products like mango butter, avocado butter, and shea butter can be used at night to help polish the skin. This is actually applicable to people like me who are actually bleaching their skin and people who are actually toning their skin, whitening their skin. Well, all you need is organic body butter at night. It's not that you start using your organic butter now. You use it when you've probably achieved your skin tone, your complexion actually, the complexion you've always wanted. When you've achieved that complexion, then you can actually switch over to organic body butter. But it's not that you're leaving your cream behind. No. You're just only going to apply your organic body butter at night while you continue applying your whitening cream in the morning. Because we know when you bleach your skin becomes thin and loosed. It becomes very vulnerable for things, sharp objects to penetrate quickly or objects to just injure you quickly. So most times the butters are actually going to help nourish your skin, bringing it back to its healthy state. But you won't get dark, because I know most of you will be like, I hope I won't get dark. No, you're not going to get dark. Body butter is good for people with dry skin. It helps nourish the skin and also rid dryness from the skin, making it silky, smooth and soft like that of a baby. The good thing about this butter is that it can be used on kids as well. We all know bleaching industrial products are not meant to be used on the skin of a child. But these organic products, mango butter, shea butter, avocado butter, when mixed with almond oil and carrot oil, can be applied on the skin of a baby. And it is so nourishing in the sense that it also has a sunscreen lotion on its own. Shea butter can also be used as a sunscreen lotion, as well as almond oil, as well as carrot oil, which can be used to help shield the baby's skin from the sun. So avocado butter, mango butter, shea butter are not too heavy on the skin. Rather, they are nourishing on the skin when used either as a base cream, lotion, or body cream. If you did enjoy the video, you can just give it a thumbs up, like, share my video. And thanks guys. Thanks for watching my video.